In today's video, I make a fixture plate for my drill press out of scrap metal. I picked up this 22-inch drill press from Facebook Marketplace. I will also use this temporarily as an adjustable welding fixture plate when turned out to the side. I will build a large fixture table soon, but needed this for a couple of upcoming jobs. I start by cleaning up the scrap plates. I tried to buy a new piece of steel from a local steel yard, but the loader was broke down and I was unable to. This piece of steel I found as I cleaned it up was far worse condition than I thought. I spent much longer prepping than I wanted to. Here I lay out a 4-inch grid for the 3/8 standard holes. I'm using a Silver Streak welder's pencil, link in the description. I center punch the plate to help locate the drill. I drill the holes in 2 steps. I'm using Tap Magic EP Extra cutting fluid for the drilling and tapping. Amazon link in the description. I should have used a slightly smaller drill bit for the first step. When I drilled the second and final step, it did not chip well and the drill bit chattered a lot. For the second step, I used a letter O drill bit as specified by the Speed Taps instructions. I then cleaned and tapered the start of each hole. The taper is a silver and Deming set from Amazon. There will be a link in the description. The taps I am using are Speed Taps brand I bought directly from the manufacturer. I will be doing a review of these later this week on the channel. I use these with disregard and speed as part of my upcoming review to find the tool's limitations. On the 9th hole, I snapped the tap. I removed the broken tap and finished out the holes with no issues. After adding 2 more tapped holes to attach the plate to the press table, there was 22 tapped holes in total. The first 20 holes tapped in 4 minutes flat, not counting the broken tap removal. I will have a video later this week as well, showing what I find is the easiest way to remove a broken tap. I've never had an issue removing a broken tap once I figured out how to remove them. I then tested every hole with a standard 3/8 bolt to check their thread quality. I was very impressed with the speed taps and their performance. I then welded a couple lengths of angle to the plate to stand it off of the table. Once in place, I prepared a piece of flat bar to clamp the fixture to the table. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.